Oh, I know if. Oh, wait, there it is.
No, just wait.
Okay, they're recording. They're recording then. Alright, so size up.
I'm getting nervous.
I need a key.
I already started that.
That was actually pretty good. It wasn't that bad.
Okay.
Wait, let me get a key. Someone give me a key.
Hey, I'm gonna give you this one. Hey.
They're getting nervous over there.
Alright, so
Oh, I fucked up.
Oh wait, he's popping them off first.
Yes, sir.
Look at me.
Well, that's not your first fuck up. You the fancy pants.
Do the fancy pants. Do the fancy pants.
Do the fancy pants.
Do the fancy pants.
Alright, so what do you do?
What?
Wait.
Wait, he didn't pop it.
What do we do?
No, you gotta pop it. Look, hold it like this.
Hold it like this.
Pop it. Whenever you pop that top, that shit's gonna pour out of
Is
it.
this thing gonna be to the side?
Suck it like it's Jose. Just suck it like it's Jose.
Wait, Rick, show him how to do it first.
Look like it's Dear Juan.
Alright, you take your mouth, you stick it on the hole.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
That's nasty. And then whenever you put your mouth on the hole, you pop the top, tip it up.
Alright,
Alright, it's gonna be to the side, not straight up.
Okay.
To the side.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, he's. I'm taking pictures of whoever throws up too.
Throw it down. Get you some!
You can tell.
Do that.
Rick
That was the
did
first time.
that.
Oh, Lord. Might not be the last
That's how you shotgun a bit.
These two were the slowest I saw.